How to put a lock on apps on iPhone. Go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the top right corner and tap on the plus icon to create a new shortcut. Type in lock screen in the search bar and tap on it. Then, tap on Done. Over here, go to the bottom panel and tap on Automation in the middle. Here, tap on New Automation. Type in App in the search bar and tap on it. Then, tap on Choose. Select the app you want to put a lock on from here and tap on Done. For example, App Store. Here, select Run immediately below. And then, tap on Next. On this page, go to My Shortcuts. Open the shortcut you just created from here to view the automation. Now, go back and open the App Store application. As you can see, the lock screen appears as soon as you open it. Following these steps, you can easily put a lock on apps on iPhone.